All right, so step
Leveraging.
6. You ready for step 6?
I'm ready.
All right. Step 6, I've titled it Honesty is the Best Policy. So what we're trying to do, again, is the goal is to differentiate ourselves from the average agent. And we're going to do that with truth and honesty, okay? But you need to ask for permission.
Right.
So what is our common way of doing that?
Can I have your permission to be brutally honest with you?
Yeah, so there's a lot of different ways to do that. You know, Mr. and Mrs. Seller, can I have your permission to be honest with you? Are you looking for an agent that tells you, you know, kind of what you want to hear, what you need to know?
Yeah.
And we know this from a lot of experience that for sale by owners are created oftentimes by bad experiences, past experiences with real estate agents, okay?
Right.
And one of those hang-ups was, you know, they just weren't honest with us.
Nope.
But you may have to deliver, again, we're going back to our walkthrough sheet there where we've divided up into pros and cons. So some of those cons may involve a smoke smell, a litter box smell.
Right.
Some kind of just animal odor, urine, whatever. It could be very sensitive because pets have become like children to most people.
And I like to look at it as if you come from a place of compassion and just, look, I want you to sell this house, but it smells like cat pee and Marlboros. You need to kind of consider that. But I like to add it up with a very good positive, like your home's outside has major curb appeal, the inside doesn't. Let's try to match it.
Yeah, and so it is that brutal honesty.
Right.
Combined with a humble delivery.
Right.
Brutal honesty combined with a humble delivery, because, you know, if they don't address that smell, if they don't get, you know, an ionizer or something to neutralize an odor, there's a stigma attached to smoking. I mean, people can smell it at the front door before they even open it these days.
It's true.
And so, and people, I think if you're a smoker, you may not realize that. We've had several people that are smokers like, well, I never smoke in the house.
Yeah.
I smoke in the garage, or I step out on the patio, but they leave the door cracked. Or have you seen a smoker that's been smoking for decades, and after they're done with a cigarette, smoke comes out of their mouth and their nose for like another 5 minutes?
As they're talking.
And they don't realize it. They go back in, turn on the tube, and just smoke's coming out. So they don't even realize that stuff.
Yeah.
So if you deliver it in a humble way, it's really going to add value to the relationship.
It'll get you a lot further.
All right.
That's for sure.